proclamation to announce. Has anyone ever heard a proclamation before?
Yes.
Do you know what one is? It's a royal announcement. And this proclamation says, by command I hereby decree Annabelle the official birthday princess for the day. Let it be known throughout the land that she is entitled to all the rights and privileges thereof. This includes a royal celebration with magical entertainment in the company of her friends and family, bestowed this 14th day of March in the year 2009. I now present to you Princess Annabelle, the Royal Birthday Princess Tiara. Still sweet. There you are.
Yay.
Happy birthday.
You smile? You smile?
Oh. My, that was lovely.